Keep going. More, just keep hitting it.
Trying to squeeze it off so it'll make a pitch difference.
Bang on that some more. The noise changes, yeah.
Something in this area. Might be this gasket could be leaking air, I think, man. I don't know if it sucks in air through there though.